removing cells from the parent sheep. Squirt! Now the cells grow, and we need to get rid of that stuff and put it in here. And we end up with a brand new little sheep. Now this sheep has grown identical to its parent, but it has a scar there from the environment.
You're the back there. Recall that cloning is an example of sexual reproduction. Recall that cloning produces genetically identical copies. Quality camera, guys. Recall that Dolly the sheep was the first mammal cloned from an adult. Recall that suitable organs for transplant could be produced by cloning animals.
And now for the cloning technique used with embryo transplants. Embryo transfer is basically multiple injections of hormone to stimulate and multiply the ovulations in the cow that you want to get the embryos from. After insemination, the embryos are extracted from the uterus. The embryos are now isolated into the good and bad, and the good ones are then transferred into the recipient cows or frozen. So now, after the new embryos have grown, a new cow is born. Benefits of using embryo transfer is that farmers can use their best bulls and their best cows to get a good calf. They can almost get a lifetime's production of really good cows from just one original embryo. Now for disadvantages and advantages of using plant cloning with plants such as this, the cactus. One of the major disadvantages of using plant cloning is that it provides complete genetic uniformity. This means that if all the plants are from the same clone, they're equally susceptible to the same diseases and insects, which could virtually wipe out their population. One of the advantages of using plant cloning is that it creates a greater yield for the farmers, so they're almost guaranteed to make a higher profit and in turn keeping themselves happy. And finally, asexual reproduction in strawberries. Strawberries asexually reproduce when they produce long stems called stolons. When these stolons touch the ground, they produce roots and eventually develop into new plants. Several types of ivies and grasses also reproduce this way from stolons. The strawberry has now produced a long stem called a stolon. When this stem touches the ground, it roots and eventually develops a new strawberry, as seen here.
I love it. I thought you went flying. Come on, let's go.
Me and you then, is it?